welcomes all of you to the third video on this chapter, area of trapezium and polygon. This is the third video on this chapter, and today we are going to solve some of the questions from exercise 16b. Okay, so first of all we are going to solve question 2 from exercise 16b. Here one figure is given, that is a polygon. As already told, what is a polygon? Polygon means a closed figure having some line segment. So it is a closed figure having some line segments. Okay, so here look at this figure. This polygon consists of there is a octagon present here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 there is a hexagon. It is a hexagon, and we have to find out the area of the hexagon, and it is a rectangle. So the area of the polygon is the sum of this hexagon plus area of this rectangle. Okay, so first of all we have to find out this area of the hexagon. So already the name is given in the book. So what is the name of the hexagon? That is area of hexagon. What is the name? A, B, C, D, E, F. It is the name of the hexagon. So one formula is there, because hexagon having all the sides are equal. Here all the sides of the hexagon are 8 centimeter. The unit is given in centimeter. So here we have to find out the area of this hexagon having the same side, that is 8 centimeter. So what is the formula? That is 6 into root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4 into side square. What is the side here? That is 8 square. So this is the formula of the area of the hexagon. So we have to find out what is root 3 by 4. It is already pre-calculated that it is 1.732. So 6 into 1.732, and what is 8 square is 64. So 6 into 1.732 into 64. So what it is? Answer will be how much? 166.272. I already calculated this value, and so I have written this. 166.272 is the area of the hexagon, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so we have already, so the value of the hexagon this much, the area of the hexagon is this much in centimeter square. Okay, in centimeter. Then next is find out the area of this rectangle. So area of rectangle, what is the name of the rectangle? That is E, D, H and G. E, D, H, G is the name of the rectangle. So already the formula we have know how to find the area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. So here length is giving 12 and breadth is giving 4. 12 4 ja 48 centimeter square. So we have already got the value of the area of the hexagon and this area of the rectangle. Just find out the sum of these two, and that is the area of the polygon. Okay, therefore area of polygon equal to 166.272 plus 48. That is how much? That is equal to 214.272. Okay, 272 centimeter square. So I already calculated this sum. So 166.272 plus 48 is equal to 214.272 centimeter square is the area of this polygon. Now look at the next question, that is question number 3, and here also there is a polygon is given, and this polygon consists of how many sides? Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So there are 7 sides in this polygon or line segments, and if we divide this polygon into 3 parts, it is easy for us to find out the area of this polygon. How to divide into 3 parts? Let's see. If we join this line, it will be this part will be a rectangle, and if you join this line, this part will be a trapezium, and if you join this line, this part will be again a rectangle. So there are three figures. So if I name this as a three part here, figure 1, figure 2, and this is figure 3. So that the three parts are there, then it is easy for us to find out this area of this polygon. Okay, so let's see what is the figure 1. So area of figure 1, how much? That is area of figure 1 will be what? It is a rectangle, so length into breadth. So length is here 25 and breadth is 6. So 25 6 are 150 meter square is this area of this figure 1. And what is the second figure? Look at here this figure. This second figure already we have know this part, that is 10, and it is a trapezium. So what is the formula to find out the area of a trapezium? That is half into the sum of the parallel sides into height. So here look at here, one parallel side is already, that is 10 meter, it is given, but this parallel side we have to find out. So if you minus from 25 minus 11, we can get easily this other parallel sides. Okay, so let's start. Area of figure 2 equal to half into the sum of the parallel side, that is 10, plus how much this part? If you minus 25 minus 11, how much? 5 minus 1, 4, 2 minus 1, 1. So 14. So 14 meter is this part, we got 14 meter. This other parallel side we got, that is 14 meter. And into height, so what is height here? We have to find out this height of this trapezium. So total height is 19.5 of this polygon. 19.5 minus 6 minus 5.5, you can get this part. So let's solve this part. So 6 meter plus 5.5, how much? That is 11.5. So if you minus from 19.5 minus 11.5 equal to how much? 0, 9 minus 8. So the height of this trapezium we got, that is 8 meter. It is 8 meter. So solve it. Half into 10 plus 14, that is 24 into 8. So simplifies to 24 and 2 both are divisible. 2 12 ja, and it is 96. 12 8 ja 96 meter square. So this area of the trapezium we got, that is 96 meter square. And lastly we have to find out the area of this rectangle. So area of figure 3, and that is a rectangle, so it is easy to find out the area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth, that is 5.5 into 10, that is 55 by 10 into 10. So 10 cancel, it is 55 meter square. So we have already got this area of these three different figures, and now it is the time to find out this area of the polygon. So what is the formula? Just there is no formula, but to sum of this area, all the three areas equal to the area of the polygon. Okay, so therefore area of polygon equal to sum of this all the three area, that is 150 plus 96 plus 55. Let's find out the total by doing the calculation. That is 150 plus 96 plus 55, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1 carry, that is how much? So 1 carry, 5 1 6, 6 plus 9, that is 15, 15 5, that is 20, 1 carry, that is 2 plus 1 3, 301. So we have got this area of this polygon as 301 meter square. Okay, the final answer will be 301 meter square. After sum of this all the three area equal to, we have got 301 meter square. Okay.